The real URL inspection tool checks the genuine, live indexing status of one exact page straight from Google's own systems. In this video, you'll inspect a real URL and request indexing. This real action genuinely queries Google's own index directly for that exact, actual page. This real result genuinely means the page isn't currently in the actual index yet, for whatever reason. This real button genuinely asks Google to actually recrawl and reconsider the page soon, though it's not instant. URL inspection checks one exact page's real, live indexing status. URL is not on Google genuinely means it isn't indexed yet. Request indexing nudges a real recrawl, though it isn't instant. Inspect one real, recently published URL and request indexing if it's missing. Ready to check whether that real page is actually fast and stable once it loads.